Well, it's been storming here lately, and it seems like all the garbage is coming here and it's ending up all the way down here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's just garbage everywhere. I'm gonna have to get out here and clean this. Well, one door down, about 6 more to go. Yeah, I fiddled with this for about 3 hours, and I'm making adjustments on each one of these until I noticed. I thought I checked that this thing was square, but yeah, you can throw this thing out of adjustment just by tweaking the whole cabinet. So I'm gonna have to do final adjustments when I screw them to the wall. But now that I got them, I can get them down. Anyway, one down. All right, another project done. Got that done. This thing right here, it works. Cut a hole down there, rewired that 220 outlet. Now this cable here will stuff up in the wall so it can go up against the wall. Anyway, on to more stuff. Okay, well, it's Sunday. I got all the drawer pulls in. This one I pretty much had to just build. Wasn't that difficult. They'll get a final tweaking when I get them in. So there we go. I did have 6 sets, so I can do 2 more drawers. I've done 4. So I'm still trying to figure out about another drawer here and possibly a drawer on the end. But anyway, it's Sunday. I've worked every damn day. It's just about 1 o'clock. I've got to go get propane. We're expecting some weather. Speaking of which, you know, we're going to get down below 15, and I've got to keep it hot enough in here for the drywall. But most importantly, I can't even touch this tub with any type of this stuff that they're calling for. It's very expensive, this paint. And they were talking in the directions, 70 degrees. 70 degrees is what they want to see here. And at the price of that paint, I'm not going to monkey with it. I'm going to wait to get it 70 degrees. I may have to come in here one morning and just kick up this damn thing and stay here for a couple days till that paint cures. Anyway, that's it for today. I've got stuff to do, and we're moving on.